Assalamualaikum, I'm Harmit Azim Muhammad and you are watching Iiumtv News. 2019 marks the new beginning for International Islamic University Malaysia. After 6 months of thorough planning, the time has come for IIUM to embrace a new chapter. The university is moving towards a new direction to a greater height in order to lead the way. According to the Rector of IIUM, Emeritus Professor Tan Sri Dato' Zulkifli Abdul Razak, he will visit all Kulliyyahs to share the new vision.
What is it that we need to do to push IIUM forward? Yeah? Over these 6 months, there are a lot of ideas, there's a lot of plans, and there's a lot of strategy that we've put forward. At our level, I think the time is here now to share this with everyone in the Kulliyyah because they will be directly affected. So the mission tomorrow was basically to engage them, to tell them this is what our plans are, and also to know what their reaction to these plans, so that it could be a bottom-up approach at the same time. It's not just a top-down, but also a bottom-up, so that we also know the context where they're coming from, the kind of issues that they think that's important, and more importantly, how they think they want to solve a problem. So all these are empowered to them, so that we can come to a consensus of what is best between the university and all the various Kulliyyah that is involved in making this change, inshallah.
For sure. Emeritus Professor Tan Sri Dato' Zulkifli Abdul Razak today starts his first visit to two Kulliyyahs, Kulliyyah of Engineering and Kulliyyah of Architecture and Environmental Design. In the meetings, the Rector explains the direction that he wanted and how the Kulliyyah can help the university to achieve.
We start from where we are now and let's move up. And therefore we can achieve a lot more progress in that particular sense. Yeah? So saya berlapang dada dan juga berlapang hati untuk berjumpa dengan saudara-saudari, brothers and sisters semua, so that we can come to the crux of what we want to do today. Yeah?
After the end of each session, the Rector opened the floor for any questions or suggestions from members of the two Kuliyyahs.
This is, I think, truly a blessed Friday because I visit two Kulliyyah, Engineering and Architecture. I think the response is overwhelmingly positive. In fact, we have a very open discussion on how to move the university forward. They give us a lot of suggestions and also their problem, of course, but they are in agreement of how the university should take on the future in terms of the changes, in terms of the structure, and also in terms of some of the directions that we are proposing to them. So I'm very happy and extremely happy, and I hope the rest will be like this.
Okay. So you're looking forward for your next visit?
Certainly. The next visit, inshallah, will be in Kuantan. We look forward to the same thing, but I am very, pleasantly surprised in the sense that people are willing to share and also be concerned over where the university is moving for the next 2 years, inshallah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Indeed, we are very happy to have our Tan Sri Rector with us this morning, and we are indeed very happy also to listen to his vision and mission for the university, especially what we would like to achieve in the next 2 years. And as a matter of fact, we find that there are so many common ground with what we at the Kulliyyah of Engineering would like to do. So I think we at the Kulliyyah of Engineering will support the Rector's vision and mission with our strategic plan that we are now also finalizing for this year. Especially, I would say that the idea of bringing the university closer to the community is very important for us. I can see that Kulliyyah of Engineering can contribute in many ways towards community services, especially from engineering and technology products through various projects and expertise that we have at the Kulliyyah of Engineering.
So first I would like to applaud. The Rector did a good job in trying to break the silos. He understands the need for us to work together between the Kulliyyah towards a greater goal, and then him aligning that towards the sustainable goal I feel will help put the university where it's supposed to. I'm very excited to start working, to start breaking silos. I think I've done a fair bit of challenging the status quo. I have an MBA on top of being just a normal academician, and I'm looking forward to what we hold next as a university.
I feel that the program today is very beneficial, and it feels that the rector are very open to our ideas, to our approach, and he's very acceptable to any comment, criticism, which I feel that all the staff are happy. In line with that, from his vision and his goals that he proposed, we feel that it is a new direction for us to take.
Was very happy with the visit by our Tan Sri Rector, and he made it very clear of the direction that he is taking the whole university to, and then this I think high time that we are looking into how to reconcile our university, what university is supposed to be, and then and with the Islam, what Islam asks us to do.
Okay, first and foremost, I think this is a good start lah. Okay, good start for him to come to Kulliyyah and to give directly his vision and missions. Okay, his directions. For me as a dean, I take it as a directions, because although he's actually giving a freedom to the Kulliyyah to decide, okay, where Kulliyyah want to go, okay, in based on the expertise, based on the capabilities of the Kulliyyah. But again, at Kulliyyah level, we want to know exactly what actually the university directions, so that we be able to help the universities. We cannot work alone, okay, we cannot work as what we wish, okay, because we have somebody that we need to feed. Okay, we have somebody that we need to achieve together. Okay, in line with what actually the Kulliyyah want. So I think this is actually a good platform. That's why I call up all the academic staff as well as the non-academic staff to listen directly from him and to understand what is actually the university direction, what is actually the university want to achieve at the end of the day. Okay.
We are very honoured for him to come to our Kulliyyah, and we feel that it is a very open heart and very convincing change that he wants. I think it is how we translate his vision. That's the most important thing. That is the biggest task for us. Now we have to relook the 6P or 7P, whatever we do, in a different way. The way that benefit us as academic profession. So we need to translate those change into a meaningful as international and Islamic university.
And I think the discussion that we had, that he brought back where are we going, and it is towards, he keep commenting about ummah, meaning, yeah, we are going back to that. So whatever, whether you're teaching, your research, if you have the right motivation and the right objective, that we're doing this for Allah, inshallah, inshallah we can sustain.
Alhamdulillah, we are very glad that our Tan Sri Rector have the time to visit us, and we feel that I think it will bring positive change, whereby he keep repeating on change. And I think when he mentioned about the song of Iium, I think that is like the gist of things and the garden of virtue. I've been helping orang asli, and I want to do a lot more for the community. And I feel that community engagement should be the main part where the Iium is giving back to the community. And we hope the whole community members would be willing to do that sharing of knowledge.